Good day, sir. I am Danjo Salibalye, section S1U, and today I will be sharing my reflective video about immediate family. After learning about immediate family, I realized how important our closest family members are in shaping who we are. Our parents, brother, and sisters are the people we first share our lives with. They teach us love, respect, and responsibility. They support us in good times and guide us throughout challenges. These lessons reminded me that family isn't just about being related by blood, it's about core, care, and trust, and understanding sometimes we take for granted. But they are the ones who always stay by our side no matter what. So I've learned that showing appreciation, helping one another, and spending time together can strengthen the bond in our immediate family. Family is truly our past first home, and the love we learn from them prepares us to face the world. Thank you.